How to protect your car from hail. Are you a teenager who just got your first car? One of the biggest threats to your new ride can be hailstorms. Hail can cause serious damage, leaving dents and broken windows. So, how can you keep your car safe when the weather turns stormy? Let's break it down into some easy steps. First, if you have access to a garage or a carport, use it. Parking your car inside is the best way to shield it from hail. If you don't have a garage at home, look for covered parking spots. Parking decks, gas station canopies, or even under bridges can work well when storms are on the way. If you find yourself without a covered area, don't worry. You can use thick-moving blankets, comforters, or even special hail car covers. Drape these over the roof, hood, and windshield to soften the impact of hailstones. Make sure to tuck them into the doors or under the hood to keep them from blowing away. In a pinch, floor mats can also help protect your windshield. Another tip is to fold in your side mirrors. They can easily crack during a hailstorm, so folding them in reduces their exposure. This small step can save you from costly repairs later. You can also use natural and structural shields to protect your car. Parking near buildings or under trees with dense leaves can help. Just be careful with trees during windy storms, as falling branches can cause more damage than hail itself. Staying informed about the weather is key. Keep an eye on forecasts, especially during hail season. If you know a hailstorm is coming, you can move your car to safety ahead of time. If you find yourself driving during a hailstorm, pull over safely. Seek shelter under a covered area if possible. Avoid parking under trees if the wind is strong, as branches might fall. By following these practical tips, you can protect your car from hail damage. Keeping your car's exterior in good shape not only makes it look better but also helps maintain its value. Remember, your safety is the top priority during storms, so always find a safe place to wait out severe weather.